Good evening. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 22nd to May 6th. For April 22nd to the 26th, a trough will push into the west, resulting in an amplified flow. You can see it here. Start of the period, we look at the models, are in good agreement. This will build a ridge with a zonal flow in the east, across the central states. See various models, they remain in place. There's a return of the positive height anomalies across the North Atlantic. We'll get on that. Okay, the pattern will support a developing of surface low in the plains late Friday. Here's our system here. Okay, and then it progresses and it lifts northeastward to the northern plains. The embedded upper low is forecast to track northeastward through the northern plains over the weekend. Here we are Saturday. And the system will support significant snow for some areas in the cold sector, along with rain that could be locally heavy to the east and south in the plains of the Mississippi Valley along the trailing front. So here's the trailing front, and then we go eastward. You can see the heavy rainfall. Still snow occurring across parts of the Rockies. And we go to the 26th, you can see we have rain moving into the northeast early next week, but not as heavy as it was back here. Okay, the east with the building ridge will cause a considerable warming trend over the areas for the weekend, but across the northeast and mid-Atlantic, northern mid-Atlantic, cool high pressure will keep temperatures below normal. Looking at the period for April 27th to May 1st, the flow gradually flattens as we go through the period. You can see right here, there's a return here of above normal heights that extend from the Northeast Pacific to Greenland. And we have a pretty zonal flow here across the nation. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for, let me get to the map, calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be near 6 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures forecast here, and for this area, and anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal are forecast. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, and from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Radius is right around here. And we have below normal precipitation forecast for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking ahead for May 2nd to the 6th. Most of the guidance keeps a relatively zonal flow with near to below normal heights. The GFS, so we take a look here, has a ridge, or excuse me, a trough here and a trough here over the west, the East Pacific and to the west with a ridge in between. But I'm going more like in line with this kind of look to the forecast, like what the other models are showing. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures forecast for this region, and anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal are forecast, and expecting little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period. So that's a long-range weather forecast discussion for April 22nd to May 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.